It is starting to rain, and we are out here. Woo! Good morning, all. We are trying a new location. This is called the Bird Lot. It's on the Middle Run area. It's got a lot of entrances to different trails that are over here. Never parked here before, but we're here now. Really excited. Our honorary member of the channel, Enrique Flores, is going to be joining us soon. It drizzled a little bit this morning, but the sun is out now, so I'm super excited to get to riding. Trail shouldn't be that bad. It didn't look like it rained that long, but anyway, let's go. Oh yeah, I was away for almost a week. Haven't ridden, so this should be fun. But again, let's roll. Oh yeah, that's fun.
Watch this line, okay? Watch the line I see.
Yep. Okay. Yep. We're right here already. Yep, I'm coming. There's a pretty fast section coming up, right? Where you at? That's fast back here, man. With,
hey, man, it feels faster than it is, you know?
yep, with trees and stuff. And these roots, you slip out.
Those coming down are not that bad.
Gotcha. Okay. You hit Logzilla?
Yeah, okay.
Let me know if you're down.
Have you cleared it?
Nope. Normally, by the time I get to this part, I'm breathing like I am. And I'm like, nope.
You've only been riding for 15 minutes?
Yo.
Sound good, man?
Oh shit. Hey man, first friend. See this?
Your farming communities.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. It was nice and soft.
Good. Check everything.
Ball's good, we're good. Well, it wouldn't be a ride with you if I didn't fall or lose a shoe.
Hey, they're gonna think it's my fault.
Nah, dude.
Just to clarify, he was on something.
That is correct. And I like learning. And oh yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah. Yeah, that's where I went before. I never gone this way. Oh, it's going to Judge Morris? Okay. Cool. Okay. Yep, I'm coming. Okay. Yes. Had to avoid that rock and the branch at the same time. All right, dropping. Drop it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, my friend Joe is like, hey, man, you should be an MTV instructor. I'm like, no, man, I don't know him now. I know him a little bit, but...
Yeah. Well, you're clear with direction.
Yeah.
Some of the best like coaches in professional sports weren't the best players.
Oh, yeah?
Usually it's the opposite.
Yeah.
Like Michael Jordan would make a terrible coach
Oh, yeah.
because he expects so much and
Over here, if you go that way, it'll be right where we went in. And you saw the parking lot?
yeah.
That's...
You don't want to go that way?
It'll be that way. Careful here.
Yeah.
Line choice, like I said. There you go.
Sweet. I just tried to follow yours.
I'll tell you.
Nice.
You're not recording, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, always.
get it that shit out, right?
Dude, yeah.
I mean, dude, if I call, hey, you post it, I don't care. I'm just saying, that's what I busted last week.
Gotcha. Nice.
And the difference between this and like brandy wine is like brandy wine has a lot of rock,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Oh my god.
Oh. Thank you. Just me.
Checking out.
Woohoo! Oh yeah.
When suddenly it began to rain.
That one,
And right
right before the bird lot, you know, where there's, I told you there was 3 ways. That middle one, coming out to man.
No, it's all good. I'm good. I'll stop when I need.
That one, you'll be like, what?
Never calling him again. It is starting to rain, and we are out here. Woo! Oh, I get nervous with exposure.
Yeah.
I'm good. Ho! Hey-o! Yeah. All right.
Well, somebody said something, hey, it wasn't raining when we started.
Nice.
You have proof, so.
Oh, it's pouring. Ah!
Got a little bit of a climb coming up, right?
Yeah. This is where we came out, right? Yep. Okay. Ouch. Ah, can't see. Right. This is church, right? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Woo!
Death, you're like,
Yeah.
whoa.
It's crazy. Yeah. How's that, man? That's fun.
Great trails.
Woo!
So much fun. Two little kickers right there on the right.
Yeah.
I've never been able to clear them, so. Enough, yeah, it all depends, because the landing is a little. Yeah. But.
We're good.
Yeah. Good? That's fun, gentlemen.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy. Yeah, it's going to suck ass now. Yeah.
Oh, it was sunny when we started, for the record. All right, here we go.
Just have to have a beer.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. Woo! We got it. Ah! What did you take me on?
We went to Judge Morris Estate, did that loop clockwise.
Clockwise.
Little easier for Todd here. We didn't want to kill him too much.
Just wound me a couple times, right?
Yeah, and then we just came back.
Yeah. I think the GoPro died on the second half of Snow Goose, right before the berms. It's okay. Kind of took it easy at that point, so it wasn't much to see. But we started with the whoops at the bird lie, immediately into Snow Goose, goat trail,
Yeah, go
some exposure,
Yeah.
and then some flow, some climbs, some pain, some more climbs, some more flow.
And then we got rained on, and that made it interesting, you know.
Hey man, but the sun was out when we started, and it's out when we stopped, so trail guides don't yell at us. But as
It
always,
wasn't our fault. It was fun, though.
yeah, man, good times.
Yeah.
Enrique, honorary member. I don't
Out
know.
here shredding.
As always,
Yeah.
enjoy the ride. Come on, man, you need to know. You're an employee. Let's go. We'll try it again. Take two. As always,
Enjoy the ride.
woo-hoo.